just finished the workshop at Vishwakarma University for first year embedded in IOT, and I have to say this has been a really good workshop. The last 3 days, everything was very well managed by the faculty team on the ground. Particularly, I enjoyed the interaction. I had a lot of interaction, and I love answering questions when students bring out-of-scope questions to me. That has been great. And last but not the least, there was a very good faculty presence here. So faculty was learning right alongside students, and that made the workshop all the more valuable for us. So thanks very much for Vishwakarma University. I definitely look forward to doing more of these.